Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of chats not showing on Messenger. We go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Messenger and you click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.